In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable announce calls on your iPhone. So that way, every time someone's calling you, you may be in the car, on a run with your headphones in, and it lets you know who is calling. So what you want to do is open up the Settings app, which is the gear icon here. Once under Settings, go to the bottom where you see the search bar, and then just tap into that and search for Phone. You want to tap into the Phone app, which is the settings for that specific app. And then about midway down, you'll see something that says Announce Calls. If we tap into Announce Calls, you'll see that you have the option to announce always, to announce only in headphones and car, and then announce in headphones only. I'm going to go ahead and enable always, so it will always announce who is calling. And now I'm going to call myself and show you what that sounds like.
FaceTime audio.
And as you can hear, it just announces who the person is that's calling. Just that way you don't have to look down at your phone. That's how you enable announce calls on iPhone. I'll have some frequently asked questions and a pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.